The role of Sciencewise is to ensure that policy decisions and research are socially informed, that publics who will be impacted by technologies and sciences get to have a voice.
At NICE, we think it's really important that we include the patients and public in any decisions we make that might impact them.
I was a little sceptical what it was all about when I was recruited, but I think the way it's been set up as well, the first face-to-face workshop sort of almost like set a scene to me.
Talking to other people within the country, it's quite eye-opening to see their point of view. It could be completely different to yours.
I feel like it was an important sort of to put my perspective in as somebody who's from, the younger generation and somebody who's also part of the LGBT. So I think it's quite important.
It was fascinating to see how people's views developed over the course of the dialogue and how they were influenced by discussions with each other and also hearing from the specialists and thinking their way through the case studies.
So it's really lovely to see people actually recognising each other and the group dynamics, and then gelling and bouncing ideas off each other and saying, I've changed my mind now.
How do you make that choice with such a responsibility on their shoulders? How did they choose?
They should look at being as fair as they can, because there's so many different backgrounds and so many inequalities.
Well, views have changed over time. Just the understanding of the different areas that NICE really tried to incorporate into their decisions.
What I've taken away from this is when I come into it, I just thought it was all about budget, but it's not. There's a lot more things that I didn't even consider.
I didn't quite realise how much this system impact affected everything else, and also budget.
Somebody said environmental sustainability. I probably rolled my eyes and thought, oh, here we go. It's got to be put on there. And my view on that now has completely changed.
I don't think my views have changed significantly over the last couple of weeks, but there has been a subtle change in terms of my awareness. I think I'm a better person now, having been past the workshop and hearing about NICE.
I did not really think that the severity of the issues that NICE is also facing is so massive that our views will make an important role for them.
I'm hoping this will have a really big impact. NICE is moving forward to develop its prioritisation process quickly, but it's really important that we get the views of society, and this process has been really important in understanding those views.